Oh, this is Miss Richardson, and this is our very first homework help video. Our topic today is rounding. We've been working on rounding quite a bit in class, but I'm sending home some homework because we need just a little bit of extra practice. The strategy that we're going to be using tonight for homework and also for another couple of weeks in class is using a vertical number line. Now, a vertical number line is exactly what it sounds like. It's just a number line that points up and down. The purpose of a vertical number line is to have a visual representation of our rounding. It helps to make a little bit more sense. Now, a vertical number line has a line on the bottom and a line on the top. These are for our benchmark numbers. The benchmark numbers are the numbers we're going to round to. It also has a midpoint, a halfway point between those two. This helps me visualize if I'm going to be rounding up or if I'm going to be rounding back. Today for practice, we're going to round the number 4,302 to the nearest thousands place. The very first step in rounding is to identify which number I am going to be rounding, and that is the 4 in the thousands place. Now, when I set up my very first benchmark number, I know that 4, when I round back, that 4 stays the same, and everything after it is going to become zeros because that would be the nearest thousand. So my bottom benchmark number is going to be 4,000. If I round back, my number will be 4,000. My other benchmark number, the one up here, is going to be the next greatest thousand. So I just add one group of 1,000. So the next benchmark number that I would have would be 5,000. If I round up, I would be rounding to 5,000. My midpoint is going to be halfway between 4,000 and 5,000. Now, half of 1,000 is 500, so my midpoint is going to be 4,500 because that is halfway between 4,000 and 5,000. My next step is to place my number that I'm rounding on this number line. 4,302 is less than 4,500, so it's going to go down here between 4,000 and 4,500 because that's where it belongs on that number line. Now I can very easily see where this number would round to. It is much closer to 4,000 than 5,000, so my answer would be 4,000. Okay, your homework for tonight is page 43. You only need to do questions 1 and 2. Make sure you go ahead and do all of the ABCs as well. So there's about 6 to 8 questions on that page. Just go ahead and do those. Use this video to help guide you through those steps. Thank you.